We're gonna make pizza. Pizza. I think that's...
If it doesn't cook, we'll just say, well, Fonzo said it was right.
If it grills like mine did.
Okay, thanks.
Do we need flour?
Honestly, I didn't even consider.
I mean, we've got flour.
Oh wait, no, it's pre-rolled. Remove the dough from the packaging and leave for 10 to 15 minutes at room temperature before using it.
We didn't take it out of the pack. I don't know. It's not unrolling very well. I'm not sure we got enough, do you know? Okay. Should I try?
You can't remember how hard that is.
How big am I doing it?
I don't know.
Should we do like...
Slow.
I feel like it's just going to merge back together.
Your hearts are so much better than mine.
I haven't done the other half yet. Don't get too excited.
Yeah, it's already better than mine.
You haven't done yours yet?
Yeah. Mine are not going to match up. That was amazing. I'm really proud of you.
You do yours on this side so that I don't mess yours up as well.
I'm going to use your method. Oh look, it's already like a straight line. Wait, that's actually really hard to cut. How did you do that?
Oh no. Pretty.
Tell you what, you won't want this one tattooed.
Now what do we do? Put cheese in it? Oh no, tomato. Do we put it on a plate? I mean, on a do we put it on baking paper on a tray?
Yeah. You like my heart? yeah. You can do hard things.
Stay. I'll just get a knife so we
It looks so pretty. Pretty like the sun. I'm really scared mine's not going to go too well because of how thin she is over there, like in the middle. She's stretched.
Where did I put the cheese? I'm sure
We took it out.
I know, but where?
Oh, it's all there. Come on.
We could do that too. Cheese time.
Cheese. Go crazy. They look really cute actually. They look so pretty.
Shall we put those in while we do another one?
I think so. Do you need to cut the paper so it doesn't set on fire?
I'd say that would probably be more like 15.
Which,
I think you...
that one?
Yeah, I was just seeing if you had it on the right setting. I don't know. Yeah, I think so.
The thing is, I can reflex like that, but I would not catch it. I'd just go, oh no.
Okay.
No.
You do.
No, I will actually drop it. I've only worked in Domino's once for a birthday party, and I don't think we did this. I think we did it on the table. How did you do it?
I don't know. Not very well. That's better than mine. Okay. Sign you up.
Aww.
That's cute. Some bits that are a bit thicker than the others.
It's okay. Some bits will be like...
Now they have barriers. I don't know how it helps. You can tell how some bits are thinner.
Yes.
Oh, we need more cheese.
I said more butter.
It doesn't flop like Domino's pizza. It just goes like...
But it just tastes like pizza.
I'm glad.
What? That bus stop.
Noise.
Sound about pizza?
Oh my god. Okay, guess the sound.
Shower.
A horse. No, but that was it wasn't close, but it was a good guess. Do it again. No, that wasn't it. It was supposed to be a plastic bag. Opening a plastic bag. Is that the sound of a puncher?
Your car wheel.
No.
The sound of oil hitting a pan.
No.
I'm gonna have to hear it again. Spray?
Yeah. I love how I went for the most obscure, like, but honestly, when you said that, it did sound like that.
Okay.
So that. It's a very specific one.
A printer?
Yeah. How did I do that?
That wasn't it.
It's a guinea pig.
Zip.
Yeah. You're so good at this. It's because I was looking at your zip. My car. It was actually. I was trying to picture it reversing and what it would sound like.
Not anymore.
Not anymore. My car's now silent. It looks like a toothpaste lid or something. Oh, yeah.
No, it
probably.
didn't, because I
Oh.
pierced it.
It looks like the toothpaste lid or something. To that extent.
I recognise it.
Hey girl!